Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which ironing boards to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below. An ironing board is an important part of the home. It is a large flat piece of board or metal that is covered with heat-safe padding on which clothing or linens may be ironed safely. The purpose of an ironing board is to keep clothes flat while the wrinkles are being ironed out. It helps keep everyone neat and looking good. Each home needs a great ironing board that is easy to use yet can be put to many uses to suit everyone in the home. In this video, we have chosen the 5 top picks of iron board that will fit your laundry needs. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The ironing boards that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The ironing board coming in at number 5 on our list is the Iron Away built-in center ironing board. The Iron Away ironing board is a wise investment. The heating board features an adjustable dial as well as a light that is appropriately situated and angled. It is to ensure that you can see that you're doing the task right. The board folds into a cabinet with a storage shelf that is specifically designed to safely hold your iron before it cools down. Behind the maple wood door, you can neatly and attractively conceal the task properly. With its 5 locking positions, the spring activated the adjustable swivel pivots of the ironing board. It can turn to 90 degrees left or right for a complete 180-degree rotation. You can also choose between 2 adjustable positions to allow multiple users. Its 42-inch ventilated metal ironing board uniformly heats the surface, making it ideal for steaming out those tough folds. Electrical features include a built-in outlet, 60-minute motor timer, spotlight, and a safety disconnect, which allows the iron to remain plugged in at all times. This will make it ready for the next use. Our team appreciated the hot iron feature, on which you can safely place the iron aside while altering or reaching for new clothing. When the iron is finished, it can be stored hot in the premium hot iron storage compartment, which is designed to fit most modern irons currently on the market. The garment bar keeps your laundry room nice and organized by holding many clothes hangers. Overall, the Iron Away ironing board comes in a variety of door types and colors, as well as natural or prime doors that will help you finish the task on your own. With these and other characteristics, it's easy to see why this iron board made its way to the top 5 on our list. The ironing board coming in at number 4 on our list is the TIVIT ironing board cover. One of the best ironing board covers in the TIVIT model, it is available in 10 different sizes to cover boards ranging in size from 12 inches wide by 40 inches long to 24 inches wide by 60 inches long. The top layer is coated with titanium and silicone to help your clothing glide smoothly, ensuring that they always look new and wrinkle-free when ironed. There's no need to be concerned about your clothes not looking their best for important meeting or special occasion. The Italian-made board covers will help you get ready quickly and look fantastic. This iron board also has an Aluminum Tech Pro silicone coating, which provides the necessary scorch resistance to prevent a quilt block from being ruined. It also reflects heat and steam, keeping it focused on your cloth and allowing for faster seam pressing. The 3 adjustable straps that go under the board can be used to secure the cover to the ironing board's surface. It can also be utilized to acquire the perfect width, with the length being adjusted by pulling the bungee rope from the top. Rather than using adhesive, the layers are sewn together. As a result, you won't have to worry about the parts melting or harmful chemicals leaking into your home. If you do a lot of ironing, this TIVIT ironing board is a good choice. The cover is made entirely of unbleached cotton. This material is not only practical and easy to iron on, but it also prevents color transfer. As a result, this product deserves to be ranked 4th on our list. The ironing board coming in at number 3 on our list is the Bartnelli ironing board. One of the greatest ironing boards on the market is the Bartnelli Pro Luxury Iron Board. Its design makes ironing garments for a homemaker quite convenient. It includes a steam iron rest that is mounted to the ironing board's side. You don't have to be concerned about it falling over because it's incredibly strong and flat. It's a T-leg ironing board which always outperforms the greatest over-the-door ironing board, ironing mat and tabletop ironing board. It's not as light as other ironing boards, but it merely adds to the stability you'll need when ironing your clothes. This Bartnelli ironing board features 4 various height settings that you can use depending on your needs. It has non-skid feet and the iron support on the side for added convenience while ironing. Our team found that the legs on the Bartnelli firm are made of the highest quality material to ensure that they do not rust or corrode. Its non-corrosive legs keep it looking new for as long as possible. By providing a tight grip, the protective coating on the feet protects the ironing board from slipping. It also ensures that your floor is not scratched in any way. This ironing board can be folded and stored in a safe location until you need to iron again. Anyone can fold it using the lever underneath it. When it comes to ironing boards, the Bartnelli ironing board is one of the best choices. It possesses a combination of features, making it a one-of-a-kind and significantly more valuable. The cover of this ironing board has a pretty interesting design that you will surely love. The ironing board coming in at number 2 on our list is the Homz T-leg ironing board. This ironing board is 53 inches by 13 inches in size. It includes a sturdy ironing surface and a 100% cotton cover. It is simple to open and close with the help of a lever mechanism, and it locks into place when standing. This ironing board's height is adjustable and can reach a maximum of 35 inches, which is rather impressive. Because of the unique leg locking technology, it can also provide a secure ironing surface. This product is both robust and functional, allowing you to use it for a long time. It's made of steel and it's guaranteed not to break or crack. The perforated steel top reflects heat to the fabric, which reduces ironing time. This model is available with a cover in 4 different colors and design options. Butterfly florals, fresh greens, grey patterns, and sky blues are all choices. You have complete freedom in terms of choosing the design you want. The cover has a built-in foam pad, and the eel top has a perforated pattern that allows for better steam flowing through the board. This furniture has a T-leg design with metal construction and non-skid feet that will keep it secure while in use, as well as during transport and storage. With a weight of under 10 pounds, the Homz T-leg ironing board is incredibly transportable. You won't mind storing and retrieving it each time you do your ironing since it is light. In comparison to small ironing boards, the longer surface of this ironing board is far more practical and makes ironing much easier. The team at In the Home found this one very affordable, and it would be an excellent deal if you are on a limited budget. And finally, we come to the number 1 ironing board on our list, the Brabantia Steam Rest Ironing Board with Linen Rack. The ironing board has the potential to make ironing much faster and easier. The board itself is extremely wide and has iron support at the end to prevent accidental burns. This strong ironing board adjusts to 4 different heights and locks in place to keep it from collapsing while in use. The legs of this ironing board include non-slip caps to keep them from slipping on the floor, continuing the concept of making ironing safe, easy and quick. This board's cover makes it ideal for steam ironing. The heat-resistant material, which is composed entirely of cotton and includes a foam layer, can withstand even the hottest steam. The ironing board is composed of corrosion-resistant steel, so it will last a long time. Despite its small size, it still works great even on shirts, formal pants, blouses and sweaters. A child safety lock and a steam iron rest that fits most classic irons are extra bonuses to this already excellent ironing board. The extra width provided by the size C board reduces the number of times we had to move the sheets to complete the ironing process. With retractable legs and a hook to hang off a clothes rack, it's also very easy to store. To maximize storage capacity, our team recommends hanging this in your closet with your clothes. On our list of the best ironing boards, the Brabantia Steam Rest Ironing Board with Linen Rack takes the top spot. It includes almost all of the features you'd want in a board, although the extra cost may not be worth it if you just iron once in a while. It is a worthwhile investment for people who have large ironing tasks regularly. And there you have it, folks, the 5 ironing boards which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next ironing board roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.